Damn it. This whole time I thought I was recording. Well, just in time for the second half. Hello, Mr. Jiminy. This is my first cooking video, so if it's a little choppy, it's expected. I'm going to give it one last seasoning with the Blackstone Griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner. Thought I'd pick this up. Instructions: 22-inch griddle, 1 tablespoon. Put a little bit on here. Let it burn off. So we're gonna make cheesesteak. Got some frozen onions. These chopped onions are awesome. Highly recommend them. Some butter. We need cheese. American cheese. And steak. So I chopped up some ribeye steak. Salt, pepper, some butter, onions on. Trying to get these, put them on everything. Yeah, there's some thick roll. All done. Color these. Nice and cheesy. Spicy. It's hot out here. I don't think I need it. Now for the best part. Ooh. Oh, shit, that's hot. This over here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. Oh boy. Look at that. Cheesy one bite. I love me some kettle cooked potato chips. Like I mentioned before when I thought I was filming, I hope you're probably watching this at midnight in bed like I do, super hungry, watching other people's food videos. and we just watch them eat their food. It's weird, but admit we do it. This spice is gonna be really good. Cheesy, oniony, peppery.